What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. Here with Bay. Hashtag Beyond with Bay. Headed to San Diego to kick it and have some R&R. So, yeah, it's been a while.
A surprise for later.
Oh, let's go, guys. Pizza again, fin. Toothbrush. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
And we are in downtown San Diego.
Oh my gosh, those are birds! Oh, they're lifts. I'm going to ride the F out those mother effers. Here. No parks for miles, but leaving Finnegan right there for now. And check it in.
Yep.
Wow, look at this. Wow.
Oh, look, we have a doorbell.
Okay.
There you go.
Alright. Whoa, this is a sick ass place. It smells San Diego-y.
Oh, look, it's a little mini couch.
Oh, my mouth!
The floor is contaminated.
It's cleaned outsides out. Oh shoot, that's a view of Omnia.
Oh, that would have been so fun.
Wait a minute, is Omnia connected here? Or are they separate?
No, wait. That's not Omnia.
Is this Omnia?
No, Omnia is across the street.
Oh shoot, so this is
No,
our
there's
own.
windows
hotel.
open, actually.
Oh, sick.
So this is the pool, huh?
We
Wow.
forgot our swimmies.
We'll just dip our feet in.
We're still gonna go.
There's actually a lot of people there.
It's actually really packed. It makes you feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Maybe we'll just go to the beach and walk on the beach.
There you go. Damn, bro. Another McLaren, so clean, bro. Boom. Feels so good outside. We're here. I am gonna ride one of these scooters right now. Yeah, you got your watermelon mule.
Yeah.
Got weekend vibes. Think that big? I don't know if you can see it, but it says Ghirardelli. So good. Hand hygiene. Make sure you do your hand hygiene, guys. Excuse me. Can I pet your pups? Yeah? What's the mix? Corgi?
Corgi and Australian Shepherd.
Oh, I was wrong. I was so wrong.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just ate, had a milkshake, and we went back to the hotel and just taking it and chill. So, yeah.
So our surprise later.
Surprise, what's a surprise, guys? Kobe!
I think that's the best one, okay.
That's the best one. Best one. Oh, too squinty. Cute. So this is the surprise we're about to do right now.
Surprise!
Surprise.
My brother's proposing. He's proposing to his girlfriend, Sabrina.
My fam back here, we're hiding in the back. Fam, look at this view. All it is. So back here, we're hiding behind these bushes. So, just be watching. Oh, it's a yeah! Congrats! Let me see that ring. Let's see that ring.
On the wrong feet.
Oh my gosh! That is a clean ring. High five. Very nice. This is the after party. We're here. We have lunch at Tequila. What's that?
Old Town Tequila Factory.
Old Town Tequila. Yep.
Can I get some fajitas?
Vaginas and
Fajitas.
tequila shots and quesadillas. I'm gonna get a video of this because I want to get this because this is the cart ticket. Can you get that for me? Thanks.
Huh?
Right?
A lot of work, a lot of I've started to hate it for the past 6 months. It's been like that since March. So,
It's putting on my face. Fajitas. Chicken fajitas right in my face. Go back downtown after celebrating with the dinner. And check it out. We're here by the stadium for the Padres. Petco Park. Yeah, they're out there. Just kidding, I went to the bar. No, I didn't. Sorry, leaving out now. This really awesome hotel. Solomar?
San Diego.
And they have puppies.
They're pet friendly, so you see all the puppies.
Awesome, awesome stay.
Is this gonna make an alarm go off?
Let's find out. Foreigner friends.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. So many people.
Lots of people. Wear your mask. Don't get too close to each other.
We're too close. Never too close. Get it, girl. Look at that view, though. Awesome. All right, now we're headed towards the stores, left the beach, and then we're gonna go to arcade. Woo. Whoa!
It's a monster cone.
No, I'm saying like, look at it. Look at that hand, bro. We got a big hand.
What was the score to beat? Did we get it?
Less than.
What? No.
Oh, I see. Still kind of got it. I beat it.
Oh! Wait, you beat the score? So what do we get?
I don't know.
Do we just get a high score?
Do we win something?
Do we just get the highest score listed?
Do we win something?
Winner. Press the prize thing, I think. The red button up there.
That one? Where? Oh, okay, another one.
Oh.
Okay. What?
Oh, is that telling you what your prize is?
Well, I don't know.
2. Oh, click 2 then, I think.
Like 2?
2 down here.
Oh, I can't press it.
I want a prize from this.
Oh, yo, I put $3. I think one is like 3 hits.
Oh.
Oh, that's it. Oh, there you go, yeah.
Right there?
Sure. Okay.
Come on!
Oh!
It was a little baby Pegasus. You can see his little wings.
So I think that's it. Yeah. Did you have a fun time, San Diego? Yeah.
What did we even do yesterday?
Well, went to the surprise.
Oh, we went out in Gaslamp. We got lit. And went to the surprise.
Yep.
And then went back home to shower and sleep. And then I got some coffee in the morning. And some fish tacos. And arcade time. And the beach.
How fun the beach.
I love it.
So we're about to head back home. Yeah, and Jaymoney's gonna drive the rest of the way after we find somewhere. So I'm putting this on wax. That's it.
It's wax.
On the video. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you like, comment, Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. See you guys in the next episode.